Hi, I'm Susan Wise, a Senior Project Manager with Bullseye Locations. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a basic interface that can be used with any website. We offer several types of interfaces for various platforms like WordPress and Shopify. Today, we'll look at the embeddable interface, our most popular and flexible interface type that can be embedded on any kind of website or used as a standalone interface with its own unique URL. This is the Bullseye dashboard. To create an interface, click on Interfaces from the left-hand navigation. Click on the Add Interface button to add a new interface, or click on one in the list to edit an existing one. Let's create a new interface and take a look. On the Add Interface pop-up, select the recommended embeddable interface. Click on the Add button on the bottom. The first step is to select a template type. There are 4 available. They're similar, but each one offers something unique. The Map on Side template displays the map to the right of the list, while the Map on Top template displays the map above the list. The Map Only option displays locations on a map without a list, while the List Only template displays the results in a list without a map. No matter which template you choose, you can use the breadcrumbs at the top or the next link at the bottom to advance to the next page. In this case, the options page. There are many options for how an interface should look and search. There are small differences in the available options depending on which template you choose. For example, the list-only interface doesn't have any options that pertain to the map. In general, the options are the same among the various templates. Use the plus signs or click on a heading to expand the section. Throughout the sections, enable or disable options using the checkboxes. Many options have tooltips indicated by the question mark icon. Hover over the icon to open the tooltip. We'll take a look at the basic options that you're most likely to consider using. Let's start in the General section. By default, Create Responsive Interface is enabled. This will ensure that your interface will scale to whatever screen size or resolution you're viewing the interface on, so that the interface will look great whether you view it on a desktop or on a mobile device of any size. You may also want to set a page max width to create white space around the interface in order to ensure that the interface is consistent with other areas of your website. In the Search section, review the radius options and consider whether you want to add or remove any of the default options. Consider how your locations are distributed across the world. If they're very spread out, you may want to add a larger radius that users can search by, or delete some smaller radius that might not yield any results. To add a radius, enter it in the search box and click the Add button. Click on the Set Default link next to the radius that you want to be the default radius that is used during auto search when the page loads, and to be the default radius displayed in the dropdown. To remove a radius, click the Remove link. Preview the interface anytime using the Preview button. You can see the changes that you've made in real time. Close the preview using the Close link. Now is a good time to save your interface if you haven't already. Save the interface now or anytime using the Save or Save and Close buttons at the top. Give the interface a unique name and click on Save to keep it open. Use Save and Close to close the interface and return to the list. Once the interface is saved, use the breadcrumbs on the top to advance to the Publish tab. The first option is embed your interface on a page using the embed code we provide. This works well for any kind of website, including popular CMSs like WordPress and standard HTML sites. Click on the iframe embed for website heading to expose the embed code. Simply click on and copy the code and paste it onto an existing page. The second option is to publish the interface as a standalone page with a URL hosted at Bullseye Locations. Click on the hosted URL with HTML input for header and footer heading to expand the section. The hosted URL is the URL where the interface can be viewed. View the interface using this link or using the view link. The view link is located next to the interface name on the interface list page. What's displayed on the interface in the results depends on the interface configuration. Again, notice the radius that we configured at the top. That's it. Configuring a basic interface is easy and quick. Look for other videos in our video series to learn more about advanced configuration options. Thanks for watching.